Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up NBN Internet. First, ensure your NBN service is active and you have received your connection kit. It's important to know your specific NBN technology type, like fiber to the node or hybrid fiber coaxial, as this affects the setup process. Finally, make sure you have a compatible NBN modem or router, as this is essential for connecting to the network and getting online. Next, let's connect your equipment. Start by plugging the NBN connection box into the designated NBN wall socket using the cable supplied in your kit. Then, take your NBN modem and connect it to the NBN connection box's WAN port. Once all cables are securely in place, power on both the NBN connection box and your NBN modem, allowing them a few minutes to boot up. Now it's time to activate your service. Observe the indicator lights on your NBN connection box and modem. They should show a stable connection, typically solid green or blue. Once stable, connect a computer or mobile device to your modem, either wirelessly or using an Ethernet cable. You'll then need to follow your internet provider's specific activation steps, which often involve logging into a web portal to finalize your setup. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your NBN connection box and modem can often resolve minor problems. Always double-check that all cables are securely connected and free from any visible damage. If problems persist, contact your internet service provider's support team. They can offer specific guidance and troubleshoot your connection remotely. Also, for ultimate comfort and durability, check out the Darn Tough Socks link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.